Okay, when this is corrupted on your VPS and you want to recover your data, this is how you do it. First, you go over to your dashboard, billing.goodleaf.com, you log into your account, then you go to support, knowledge base, click on it. Then we go to this, how to recover data from a corrupted Windows VPS. Click on this. So we click on services, click on the service, make sure you're choosing the right one if you have multiple VPSs with us, right? We're gonna choose rescue mode. I already did this step. See how it says rescue mode is currently enabled. So what you would do is you go to here and then click rescue mode, and then you'll set a password right here, and then you gotta wait, and it'll be enabled. Make sure when you're using the IP, you use this one. Sometimes this one at the top can be wrong. So we're gonna go ahead and get this IP, right? First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna download PuTTY. We're gonna go to putty.org. We're gonna click this link, and then we're gonna go to FileZilla-project.org. We're gonna download FileZilla client. Click this, and then click download, and then you follow the steps. Then we're gonna put this IP into our PuTTY. Make sure it's on port 22. Connect. Now the username is gonna be root, and the password is gonna be the one that you set. There we go. I typed clear there just to get that stuff off the screen. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back here. You can use WinSCP2 if you prefer it, and then you don't need to download PuTTY if you're using WinSCP. You can just Control+T and it'll put you into there. We're gonna do apt-get update. We're gonna run this command by right-clicking to paste it. You just right-click in the black space. Then now we're gonna do this. Wait for this to install. We can also connect with FileZilla whilst this is going on. We just put this in. Username root. Put in your password. And we put in our port, which is going to be 22. Okay. Now we've connected, and this is what it looks like right now. Right? Now that's done, we're going to run the second command. NTS fix, and then we're going to mount the drive. Just like that. Alright. FileZilla. See, we're just going to go right here, click on mount. And to download your files faster, we're going to click edit, settings, transfers, and then we're going to change this from 1 to 10. So now we have our VPS files. Most people put their files on their desktop and stuff, so we're going to go to users, administrator, desktop, and this is where your files will be at. Like we got our server artifacts here and stuff like that. And then to download them, like I'll just put them on my D drive. It doesn't have anything on it. So I don't know. Let's say we'll get something from my downloads. Let's say I want this file right here. Just drag it over. There it is. Or let's say I want I want my database. I would download these exact same files. Like, for example, I'll just download one because I don't want all of them. See? Right there. Then, once you got all of your files, go ahead and open a ticket with us. And we'll reinstall the operating system. And then you can log back into your VPS. And then you can set up a way to transfer the files back. I can show you how to do that right now. So what we're going to do is, this VPS doesn't have any issues with it, so I can just re-enable it, but you're going to have to contact us if it's corrupted and you're downloading the files from it. So let me disable rescue mode. Then we're just going to log into the VPS like normal. Let me go ahead and wait for it to come back online. I'm going to get my password for this VPS. All right, it's back online. Now we're going to log out of the VPS like normal, administrator, put our password in. Boom. Now we're into the VPS. So, of course, this will be a new VPS for you. I like that task manager open in the background. It just uses less stuff if you have it open. You can just close that out or close itself out too. All right, now you're only going to want to disable this temporarily whilst you're transferring your files back. So we're going to go into our firewall, disable that, disable this, and disable that. So once all of those are disabled, we're going to go ahead, we're going to open up XAMPP. Alrighty. We're going to start FileZilla. We're going to click admin. Okay. All right, now we're going to go to edit users. Now we're going to add ourselves as a user. You can put anything here. The password, make sure you use a secure password too. You don't want to make it like password or anything like that. All right, shared folders. We're going to click add. And then wherever you want to put your files at. I'm just going to go desktop. Make sure you're allowed to create files. Just allow all that stuff. And click OK. Alrighty. Now on our computer, I'll just start a new file solo. Or WinSCP, whatever you're using. Go to 18.405.114.102. Username, put in the username that you set. Mine's GoodLeaf. Put in your password. And then put in the port. Port is going to be 21 this time. Click connect. Alrighty. Now we're on our desktop. Now let's say I want to put these files back there. I'll click OK. And then boom, my files are back. Right there. I'll just get rid of it because I don't need it. And then once you're done, click that button. It'll turn it off. And then click stop here. Go back to firewall. We're going to turn it all back on. And then that's it. There we go. And then that's it. Your files are transferred back. And yeah, everything's done.